Dear friends, in this episode, we are going to learn 10 scientific terms. First is atom bomb. Atom bomb is a destructive weapon. When we bombarded uranium 235 atoms by neutrons, the uranium 235 atoms are split up and unlimited amount of energy is released in the form of X-rays, heat rays, etc. And this liberated energy in the forms plays a havoc and destructive effect. The explosion of atom bomb is based on the principle of artificial disintegration of uranium 235. Another term is atom. So, atom is the smallest unit of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. It is an ultimate particle of matter which consists of positively charged central core, the nucleus, about which negatively charged electrons rotate in various orbits. The whole mass of the atom resides in nucleus and is composed of positively charged protons with neutral neutrons. Next term is atomic weight. The average relative weight of atoms of all the elements as compared with the weight of hydrogen atom taken as 1.0008 or atoms of oxygen taken as 16. Now, atomic energy. This can be produced by disintegration of atoms of certain radioactive elements. The energy which is produced can be utilized for useful purpose also rather to destruction. So, useful purpose of atomic energy is to produce electricity, and destructive purpose is to destroy mass destruction like by atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made vehicle which revolves around the earth like moon. It can move only in a plane passing through the center of the earth. The artificial satellite is governed by the same gravitational and mass laws as the other heavenly bodies, but its speed and revolution depend on its altitude. Aeronautics. Aeronautics is the science of gases, especially air, particularly in relation to aircraft motion. Air conditioning. Air conditioning, the principle of air conditioning to control and regulate pressure, humidity, and temperature of the air. Aircraft carrier. A big warship with a large deck used for landing and taking off aeroplanes is called as aircraft carrier. Alchemy. Alchemy is a branch of chemistry which deals with the transmutation transmutation of basic metals into gold. Amalgam. Amalgam is a term applied for any alloy in which mercury is a part. Archimedes principle, which states that when a body is immersed in a fluid, it loses its weight equal to the weight of fluid displaced. Thank you to listening this episode. This episode is brought to you by www.chemistrynoteinfo.com.